What's up guys and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to screenshot your desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open this site. I'll leave you this website in description of video. When you open this site you will see snipping tool. Just click here download, save installation and open your snipping tool installer. Install your app on your PC, go here run and you will see Microsoft Store new window will open. When you finish like me, just click here open. And you can see guys, snipping tool look like this. If you can't find it, just press Windows button and type snipping tool and open it. And you can see guys, we have here new, mode, delay and options. For screenshot on your Windows, just click here new and your desktop will blur and select what you want to screenshot. I choose this and you see guys, I have this photo. To save this photo and screenshot, go here on files and select save as. Click this and go to desktop, name your file and go record. And you can see guys, we have screenshot. Just open it to check this and that's our image. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe. I see you in next video. Bye guys.